Want to stay healthy and fight off sickness? These 6 foods can naturally boost your immunity. Let's dive in and see how you can upgrade your diet starting today. First up, citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits. They're rich in vitamin C, a key player in keeping your immune system strong. I love starting my day with a glass of fresh orange juice or tossing slices of lemon into my water. Next, let's talk about garlic. Raw garlic, cooked garlic. Garlic packs a punch with immune-boosting compounds like allicin. I like adding chopped garlic to soups or using it as a base for sauces, flavor boost and health support. Now ginger. This spicy root is famous for its anti-inflammatory properties. I use it fresh in stir-fries or steeped in hot water for a soothing tea. Ginger helps reduce inflammation and can calm an upset stomach. Don't forget about yogurt and probiotics. Yogurt with live cultures, probiotic supplements. A healthy gut means a strong immune system. I reach for plain yogurt with live cultures or add a probiotic supplement to my routine. Try making a quick breakfast parfait with yogurt, fruit, and a sprinkle of seeds. Leafy greens are another powerhouse. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. I often toss them in salads, blend them into smoothies, or saute them with a bit of olive oil. They're an easy way to sneak more nutrients into every meal. Finally, nuts and seeds. Almonds, sunflower seeds, walnuts. They're loaded with vitamin E and healthy fats that support your body's defense systems. I keep a jar of mixed nuts handy for snacking or sprinkle seeds on top of my salads, ready to boost your immunity naturally. Incorporate these foods into your diet today and give your body the support it needs. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and I'll see you in the next video.